Allowing the open carry of firearms is once again the topic of conversation in Florida's legislature. A Florida state representative has filed a bill that would allow open carry and repeal some other restrictions. Riley Phillips is joining us live now with more on what this would mean for people here in Florida. Riley.
Yes, Anthony, House Bill 31 was filed yesterday ahead of the 2025 legislative session. Right now, Florida has permitless concealed carry, but this bill would make it legal to openly carry a firearm in the state, and it would repeal some restrictions like the state's red flag law. Those in favor of this bill tell me this would be a huge win for gun owners here in Florida, but those against the bill tell me there is a reason why open carry has failed to pass in previous years.
It's kind of odd that a gun-friendly state does not have open carry.
House Bill 31 tackling open carry in the state of Florida. Florida is one of 4 states, along with Washington, D.C., that does not allow the open carry of firearms. All other states have some variation of an open carry law. James Phillips is an attorney in Florida and specializes in Second Amendment cases. He says this bill would make it legal for people to openly carry their gun where they currently carry it concealed.
If a open carry bill did go through and was successful, then you would be able to open carry a firearm, whether it's a handgun or a rifle or a long gun, and you would probably be able to carry it in any location that you could carry concealed.
The bill would also repeal certain restrictions like the state's red flag law and would allow guns to be carried in new places like college campuses and in polling locations. Proponents of the bill hope this will be the year open carry is signed into law. Luis Valdez is the Florida director of Gun Owners of America. He has been working with lawmakers to try to get similar bills passed.
Open carry would simply restore the rights of Floridians to be able to carry a firearm without the fear of being arrested if they have an accidental exposure.
Valdez says one of the biggest challenges to getting the bill passed in the legislature is the potential impacts on the state's tourism industry.
Other states rely on tourism, Texas, Hawaii, Tennessee, Arizona, for example. They all have open carry. It's not an issue there, so why would it be an issue here?
But those against open carry call this bill dangerous. State Representative Angie Nixon believes open carry will lead to more people getting hurt and disproportionately impact people of color.
Me and my husband, we are gun owners, but we use common sense. And I just want everyone else to do the same. What is not common sense is walking around with a gun openly. That is a recipe for disaster.
And it's still very early in the legislative process. The 2025 legislative session does not start until March. Live in Jacksonville, Riley Phillips, First Coast News on your side.